Piper's got the hiccups. What's she thinking? Oh, double bless you. Whoa! You stay on my lap. Oh, that was crazy. Whoa. Man, hiccups are tough. They just are. They're tough. You make any more noises? No? Okay. And bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye, baby. My tiny girl. Look at her head in comparison to my hand. She's little. She's a tiny person. So new. You're so new, Piper. You're new to the world. Are you eating my hand? Hey. I need that. I need that finger. I need that. Can I keep it? Oh, fine. Apparently it doesn't taste good. Okay, bye-bye.